It's a BraveHeart morning in Texas. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean this. They're never going to stop coming for us. All black sheep need to turn into black wolves, and they need to stand their ground. They need to have unconditional love for themselves and their family. They need to ignore everything that they don't want in their life. Not fight with it, ignore it. What if we all ignored everything in our life that did not vibrate to the level of goodness for ourselves and everyone else? I want everyone to think about this today. Let's just stop fighting, okay? Let's start ignoring everything that we don't want in our life and take massive personal action in only focusing on what we want. This means that you would have to rewire your brain. This means that you would have to fill up your own heart. You would have to become heart smart, which means that you would have to unconditionally love yourself, let yourself off the hook, and never ever put yourself in judgment jail again, because that too is BS. You'd have to let go of sinner syndrome. You'd have to let go of the idea of being a failure, because there are no failures. There is dress rehearsals until we get it perfect. And then once we get it perfect, we rock that thing. And then we go look for something else that we can screw up until we get perfect again, because that's what we do. Okay, we're here to expand our consciousness. We're here for higher learning, but mainly we're here to feed our spirit. We are light energy, electrical, magnetic, light beings. And this means that everything is a vibration, from hugging a tree to the food we eat, making sure that it has the highest of vibration, to the people we hang around with, to the things we listen to, the way we speak, the way we move. And every time we rise until we close our eyes, we stay in that present moment and we own it. We dust off our passion, we dust off our dreams, and we take massive personal action, and we move forward, and we do not get distracted, disrupted. We do not allow them to create disease, because that means we are out of ease. We are not in harmony with alignment, and that which created the whole universe has never judged us. So you can take that story and put it right down the toilet. That which created the universe said, listen, you go down there and you use that brain and you fill that heart, and you understand that when you go down there, it is a life-threatening, fun-filled experience for the whole family. We are family, and we are BraveHeart Nation. All my love to all of you today. You must rise. You are the hero that you seek. God bless.